welcome back to my channel, guys. It's Noob. So, guys, we are going to solve another problem which is based on string. So, guys, here you can see here is a string which is combination of numeric and character data types. But guys, we just taking it all as a string, and output should become like this. How output come, guys? Here you can see K to A, 1 and 5. So we are just shorting the character, and then after it we are shorting the numbers, and after shorting the character, after shorting the numbers, we just merge them. Then output should become, guys, you can see here characters are A, K, and then these are character. So when we short these, what we get A, K, and you can see, guys, here we get A, K, and here is 215. When we short these three numbers, we get 1, 2, 5. You can see, guys, we get 1 to 5, and here is we get A, K, and 1, 2, 5. When we merge it, when we concatenate it, this is called concatenation. When we concatenate this, we get this, guys. So, guys, I think you will understand input and output. Let's move to the coding part where will we block. So yes, guys, here you can see. Let's have to first delete it. Let's zoom in for your better understanding, guys, for your better visibility. So I'm just including the string files, because we are dealing with strings, because we have to concatenate the string str concat. You use that function, that's why we including this header file. And now let's declare. No, we have to use char. Let's declare char p10 array, p a also 10 and l also 10. After it, we have to declare I j is equal to I is equal to 0 and k is equal to 0. And after here also you have to declare d. Otherwise you can also take D for swapping the characters, for shorting the characters. And let's take the first string. After it, we have to run a loop for I is equal to 0. P of I is not equal to null, and I plus plus. We just forget the square brackets, and in it we have to put one condition that P of I is greater than equal to small a, and P of I is less than equal to small z. Then we have to store, if it is in between a and z, then we have to store in k of j plus plus is equal to str of, so not str, p of I. Otherwise if it is not, guys, if it is not in between a and z, it means those are numbers. So we just store in another char integer which is l. So l of k plus plus, why using here k? Okay, here we just taking 2 times k. Let's take h. So h plus plus is equal to p of I. Yes, guys, we just separate the characters and the numbers. If you want to see, let's see it. Before going to execute, we have to assign the null values in these two arrays, character arrays. K of j is equal to null, and L of h is equal to 0. Let's see for your proof. Let's k and let's print l. So guys, let's print if we enter k, it's taking k2, k1 and 5, then we just separate, we just divide its the string into two parts. First part is storing in the character, store character values, and the second part which is all the numbers, all the integer data types. But we just separating, but all these things are in a characters. So output should become k2n and 215, kan 215. Yes guys, you can see here. I hope you will understand. And after it, we have to short these array. We have to short character and also numeric characters. So we are just taking nested loop I and j because they are two entities. First we have to short, and we have to also run the loop, and we have to compare. That's why we have to compare. If it is greater than, suppose x is greater than y, then we have to swap x and y. That's why we will be using two entities. That's why we are using nested loop. So you can see I is equal to 0. And let's first of all we just shorten the characters value. Characters. So we just store characters. We just store characters in k of I is not equal to what? Is not equal to null k plus plus, and also taking one another loop for j is equal to 0. J is not j. K of j is not equal to null j plus plus. Let's put a condition. If k of I is less than k of j, then we have to swap. So we just taking what we take here. Which character variable I here declared t. With the help of t, we just swap value of ki and value of kj. Where distinct k of I is equal to k of j, and k of j is equal to t. Here guys we have swap. If you want to see or swapping, so here you can just print. After here you can print puts, but we swap character value, then just print k. K means k is the array which stored the short characters. Short character values. So let's see it. What showing me here? Showing me L value required as an increment. L value is required for k of I is not equal to L value required as increment operand. Okay guys, here I plus plus. Now it is right. Let's enter k2, a1 and 5. So we get, first of all we get k, a and after it 2, 2, 1, 5. Then after it a k n. Yes guys, you can see we just short. Here you can see guys, a k n, we just short, we get a k n. Now we have to short this, and after it we have to, when we short this we get here, and after it we have to just merge it, these and these values. So let's copy this. I don't want to write again it. Let's copy it because we have to use this. Control C. Here, Control V. Okay, we don't require this. Here we are using K. Now we have to take L. We have to take L because now we are dealing with number characters. So that's why we are just shorting the numbers which are in the term of characters. Just change the K by L because we are dealing with L array. we have to sort the LRS character values. Yes guys, you can see we sort the LRS values. If you want to print, you guys, you can see puts L, and after it only just we have to strcat, and what we take first, K and L. Yes, and puts, we're just merging the value of L into K. Just print the K. Let's run it. I hope output will come. Let's enter K2 A. I'm just enter the inputs K2A. I'm just remembering what inputs are. K2A 1 and 5. Yes guys, you can see first we just from the given string we just separate the characters. And the given string we just separate the numbers also, and after it we just what we get as a characters value we just short it, and what we get as a number value we just again we short that number, and after it when we shorting this character value we get this, and when shorting this number value we get this. When we merge AKN and this, what we get AKN 125. You can see guys, and you can see also guys what's our input is. Here guys you can see K2 1 and 5, AKN 125. So I hope guys you will understand this video, this question, and let's meet in some another, and guys let's meet in some another day with another problem, with new hope and with new logic guys. So thank you guys, I hope you were doing well, and stay safe, stay healthy. So let's meet in another video guys.